Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error when you can't log in into your Instagram account, how you can fix it. So first thing you need to check is to check your internet connection, so just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find here Wi-Fi, so just open Wi-Fi and just check if you are successfully connected to your Wi-Fi, and also if your Wi-Fi has good internet connection. If no, just try to restore your Wi-Fi router and just connect it again. So just turn off and turn on again, reconnect your Wi-Fi, so sometimes it also helps. And if you're using mobile data, just go back and just open mobile data and just check if you're successfully turned on here mobile data. Also you can try to reconnect it, so just turn off and turn on again, and try again to log in into your Instagram. And if it doesn't help you, you can also try to remove your Instagram app, so just tap on Instagram and here you will see remove app, so just tap on remove, and after just go to App Store and just write in App Store, in search tab just write Instagram and just download it again. So, and if it doesn't help you too, you can also try to restore your phone, so just keep holding power button until you will see here slide to power off, so just slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So I hope that one of these methods will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.